This morning, we're contemplating a lot of things. There seems to be a little rift going on here between myself and the chief. And the problem is, and a lot of the viewers on this channel say you need to sue them, sue the shit out of them. Well, it's a municipality, and I don't want to sue the municipality. I'm not going to get anything out of that anyway. And money is definitely not what I want. I don't care about the money. What bothers me the most is when you ruffle the feathers of somebody based on the truth that you see through your eyeballs. And they want to do harm to you for that. They want to do harm by writing false sworn statements, the fire report. Now, I'm picking that fire report apart, line by line right now. And I will make a video about that too. I'm doing a PowerPoint presentation for somebody right now about it too. All I'm going to do is line up what they say and then line up all of the video and film and pictures and statements to see if what they wrote follows what everybody was saying and reporting during the actual event. Now, I've done many AARs in the Army, and I can tell you that's something that they don't do, because in an AAR somebody can flick a booger on you and then I guess you get retaliation for it, because that's what's happening with this deal. Childish reactions from somebody who's supposed to be a grown man. Boy, it's hard. So when I was at Walter Reed, I was talking to a psychologist about a lot of what I'd done, and he had asked, he said, what are you going to do when you have to go back to the herd? And I'm like, what herd? He said, the sheep. When you go back to the sheep, you're not going to be able to do this forever. My straightaway answer was, well, I never intended to ever live this long. I never thought in a million years that I would survive what we were doing. He said, yeah, but you did. So what are you going to do? I'm like, I guess I'll go home and be a sheep. He said, nope, you can't do that. You can't be a sheep. You're a sheepdog. Oh my God. I don't know. He explained to me, he said, there's wolves, and there's wolves in sheep clothing. They're out there in the herd. Some of the nicest people you'll ever meet are the wolves. And that's kind of what's going on. This event has uncovered the wolves for me. I see them. I see them. There ain't a damn thing I can do about it. Every law firm that I've talked to, because really all I really want to do is pursue the false report, which is what the DA ought to be taking up. But I guess, I can go over there and talk to him, but the DA is not going to give a shit. I don't feel like he will. But he might, I don't know. This is petty. This is one person's house. Oh, well, sorry about your shit, dude, but it happens all the time. Well, it does happen all the time. That's the problem. Sheepdogs protect the sheep. That's what they do. Every time I've complained about the police force driving too fast and still have the ability to write crippling tickets to people, I go to what's supposed to be elected officials. I don't go to the police. Why should I do that? They're not going to do shit to each other. You go to the people that can do something, and then when they don't do it, you're just like, so the sheepdogs protect the sheep from the wolf. But the sheepdog doesn't like the sheep. The sheepdog actually really doesn't like the sheep. The sheep make their life hell. The sheepdog looks at sheep sometimes saying, I want to eat the sheep just like the wolf. I'm actually a cousin to the wolf. Why don't I have it in me to eat the sheep? Because I know for a fact I don't like the sheep. There's many times that I think the sheep would be better off not here. The reason why the sheepdog doesn't eat the sheep, and the reason why the sheepdog stands guard over the sheep, give his life to protect them from the wolves, it's not because we like the sheep, that's for sure. It's because we love them. We don't want to love them, but we do. There's a lot of people in graveyards all over this country that love the sheep enough to give their whole life to. And when the fad leaves of thanking everybody for their service, those sheepdogs that protected their sheep from themselves will be forgotten. And that's okay.